Radhe Radhe, what's going on? I ponder everything is going on well, and I am right as rain as well. Today I'm gonna talk that how to think in English, right? There are abundance of people. They don't have any ideology that how to articulate anything in English whenever they do any kind of date. So I will share some strategies with you which you can implement in order to think in English whenever you talk to yourself. Although I know that there are abundance of people who contemplate that you should talk to people in English so that you can enhance, right? But yeah, this is also one strategy, and then which I'm gonna talk about that is quite inevitable, right? So it will discombobulate you if you implement this in your life. Let me tell you, either you do any deed or maybe doing any kind of thing. So at that time, you have to talk to yourself in English. For the instance, if you are cooking food, so at that time, try to mention each and everything in English, and then try to say that okay, I am gonna prepare this food, and these are ingredients which I am gonna put, and then this is the salt, this is the spices and all. So you have to say each and everything in English with yourself, and once you train your mind in this way, so somewhere it is gonna be helpful for you a lot, right? And then if you go to school, so at that time also you may speak in English with yourself, and then instead of speaking in your native language, whatever you may have, you should try to speak in English, right? And then if I talk about me, so yeah, like when I used to learn this language initially, I used to talk to myself a lot, and I used to record videos of mine on camera. And then, although I didn't upload those videos, but yeah, I did, so that I can get to know that how am I speaking. And then I used to make mistakes. I used to learn that what I am making and what I am doing, right? So, like somewhere, I guess that I got some improvement in order to do that. So if you talk to yourself in English whenever you do any deed, so at that time it is gonna be quite beneficial for you. So yeah, like this is how you can think in English whenever you do any kind of work. So thank you so much in order to watch this video, and this is Advocate for today.